Welcome to Ascultate. I'm Andrew Odom. And no, I'm not a doctor. I'm not an LPN. I'm not an RN. I don't even play one on TV. But what I am is I'm a husband and I'm a father. And because of that, I care about healthcare. You care about healthcare too, and so that's why you're here. You want to learn about the technology of tomorrow, today. Now let's be honest, healthcare technology has moved beyond a stethoscope and an armband that you can find at your local health store or drugstore. It's moved into iPads, iPods, iPhones, I name it, you name it. We're going to show it to you in the next few minutes. So, while they may not be the most expensive, while they may not be the fanciest, heck, they might not even come with any sort of arm bracelet or some sort of box that you can send away to save the world. But they're real, they're practical, they're affordable, and we've got them right here. So if you will, stay with me for the next few minutes and we're going to talk about some products that are going to help you help the world.